Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can sign up Slack using QR code on your mobile. So the first step that you have to do is search for slack.com on your browser. And then from here, just go ahead and tap on this Launch Slack. So this is just an example workspace. Next is to go ahead and just wait for the launching. And from here, just click on this Use Slack in your browser. So once you click on that one, you will have this. And from here, you just have to tap on this example workspace at the top. And at the very bottom is you will see the sign in on mobile. So if you click on that one, you will see the QR code. So here are the steps. So to access this workspace on your phone, you just have to open Slack on your mobile device. So from the home tab, you just have to swipe right. And then step 2 is to tap on add a workspace at the bottom of the pane. And then tap sign in to another workspace at the bottom of the list. And then you just really have to tap on the scan QR code and then just have to scan this one. And then you will be signed in, or you will be in the example workspace on your mobile. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!